Greetings, great Hamster Kombat CEOs. So after this normal mode finish going, now we play it together so that you see how it's done. Meanwhile, there's a very big good news. You can see that the time has been extended to 1 minute instead of the formal 30 seconds, right? So now after this, we will now play it slow motion, step by step, so that you still won't miss this. Now they have given us reason to leave all excuses and just get the key. Now, new members, you simply click on the mini game icon above. So just click on play as it gets to this page, and now let's take it slow. Now firstly, the short green key candle above, just pull it to the left, yeah, and the long candle by the right, pull it up, and the short green candle, pull it forward, yeah, to the right, yeah. Now the short red candle below, push it up to join the tall red candle, yeah. And now the long green candle, pull it to the right, forward, yeah, and bring down the red candle, the short one, and also bring down the long red candle, yeah. Now push the key just at the top of the two candles, red candles, yeah. Okay, so now the short red candle above, bring it down, yeah, the one at the edge, just pull it down, and the other short red candle beside it, bring it down also. So the green candle at the top, the long one and the short one, just push them backward to the left. Now the key, take the key backward also, and now pull the short red candle all the way up. Now the green candles below, among the three green candles, now pull the short green candle to the left, and now the other short green candle, pull it also, and then the key, bring it all the way forward, yeah. Let it touch the red candle at the, yeah, just pull it there. Now it's time to move the red candle, yeah, the long one, to the top, and now the green long candle backward, and now pull down the red, and then let the key drag it out and let it pass in peace. Do not miss the next update. Just make sure you click like, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be the first to get it.